because here is where the Punjab angle comes to fore. Punjab Police, which has now withdrawn its personnel deployed in the security of the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal. The Punjab DGP says that the decision has been taken following the directions of the Delhi Police and the Election Commission. What this means is that while some personnel have been withdrawn, but Arvind Kejriwal still continues to be a Z+ protectee. He still enjoys the protection of almost 60 security personnel.
जो हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं श्री भगवंत मान जी और श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जो कि एक्स सीएम हैं दिल्ली के और नेशनल कन्वीनर हैं, ये दोनों ही पंजाब के Z+ सिक्योरिटी प्रोटेक्टीज हैं। तो एक कुछ कंपोनेंट जो है हमारा श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ दिल्ली में भी सिक्योरिटी ड्यूटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा था, लेकिन अब ये जो कंसर्न दिल्ली पुलिस ने रेज किया है और ये जो इनकी कैटेगराइजेशन है, ये क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी थ्रेट्स इसके बारे में आई हुई थी और अभी भी थ्रेट्स आ रहे हैं, लेकिन अब जो इन्होंने कंसर्न रेज किया है और जो इश्यूज हैं उस पर फिर हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हमने अपनी कंपोनेंट्स को भी फिर ड्रॉ कर लिया है।
अपने सीएम साहब सरदार भगवंत मान ते अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ਦੀ ਥ੍ਰੈਟ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੂ ਟਾਈਮ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਸਰਨਡ ਏਜੰਸੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਤੇ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਹਦਾਇਤਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦਾ ਕੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕੇਜਰੀਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਵਿਡਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੋ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨ ਟੱਚ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਨਪੁਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Well, let's get in a word from Priyank. Priyank, has it been seen before as far as already being in a state, being a former chief minister, but you need security from another state to be as part of your security entourage, especially when you are going out and campaigning? Yes, there are certain inputs of threats that are known as far as Arvind Kejriwal being a Z+ protectee, but Delhi police is already there. Does he need the additional security from Punjab police?
The Delhi police has made it very sure that they have been providing security to Arvind Kejriwal, and this is not a hardcore terror-dominated area where there would be problem for the Delhi police to provide him security. It's a Z+ security, which means that 60 police officials could be there round the clock. And Delhi police has already said that we are there to protect our protectee Arvind Kejriwal. Although we know that there have been series of threats which has been received regarding his safety and security is concerned. Instead of him not being the chief minister, the security still continued for Arvind Kejriwal. But the additional security was something which was brought in by the Aam Aadmi Party because they always had fear that there could be, another threat assessment from the Punjab police official side. That's why an additional security was provided to him. But according to the rule book, it's not allowed because if a protectee moves from one state to another state, then he can get an additional security cover up from that particular state. Like if Arvind Kejriwal is coming to UP, there will be escort from the UP police, which will be provided to him. If he travels to Haryana, then the Haryana police can also be along with him, apart from the security which is already there along with him. But him being here in the national capital and getting an additional security was against the rule book which has also been quoted in the letter which we accessed day before yesterday. Now the fact of the matter is that after the Delhi police moved this application on the directions of Ministry of Home Affairs dated back to January 2002, when there were rules which were made that any VVIP movement which is happening in the national capital before 26th of January, right, that need to be followedly informed to the
what,
security
according
wing.
to the latest decision that has now been taken on part of the Punjab police, that they have withdrawn their personnel. However, when it comes to the protectee, the Z+ protectee that Arvind Kejriwal has, there would be no effect as far as his security or his concerns that are now being leveled as far as he continues to campaign for the upcoming Delhi elections. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the withdrawal of security from the Punjab police came on a day when former Delhi Chief Minister alleged that there was an attack on him while addressing a rally in Harinagar. Now, Kejriwal claimed that the police in his security detail allowed the opposition candidates' men or goons to attack his car on the order of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, charge that has now been amplified by his party colleagues who have now linked it to the withdrawal of his security by Punjab police. However, Aam Aadmi Party's version was countered by their own, which is Rajkumar Dhillon, whose ticket from the Aam Aadmi Party was cancelled while she was on her way to file her nomination from Harinagar. She says that it was a stir by her own supporters. However, there was no violence that was involved.
हमारी पार्टी से कुछ नहीं हुआ।
आप सब लोग वहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे जितना मुझे पता है, तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि दिल्ली पुलिस ने आपको अलाउ किया है, ऐसा बोला जा रहा है?
नहीं, हम हमारे दायरे में ही जो है महिला सम्मान के लिए जो अपमान हुआ है हमारी यहाँ की विधायिका के साथ, हम सब उसी का आक्रोश कर रहे थे, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हरिनगर विधानसभा क्षेत्र के हर एक महिला, बुजुर्ग, बड़े, सबको कहीं ना कहीं ये बात बहुत दुख रही है कि यदि आप हमें टिकट देते ना, और अगर दी तो हमारे को लड़ने देते। ये एंड मौके पे हमारी रैली जब खत्म हो रही है, आप हमारी टिकट काट रहे हो।
So their own leaders, their own supporters are countering as far as what Arvind Kejriwal is saying about this claim of this attack that has now been done on him. Thank you very much, Priyank, for joining in. We head into a short break.